Okay, here we do a demo for how to register the FOB. This one is not registered. If I swipe, you can hear continuous voice. Means it's not registered. Here just power the device with two wires. One is red, another is blank. Power on it with 12 voltage. Then this is a simple guide for how to register. First press star, then 3 line, and then hash key to enter programming mode, then press 1 and swipe card for enroll. Now I will do press. Remember, please press the key slowly. If press too quickly, can't enter the programming mode. So press star, press hash key, then press 1. The color become green, then swipe the it succeeds. Then another one. Then press hash key to save all data. Then press start to quit. Now this FOB is already enrolled. I swipe now. You can see the color LED color become green. Another one. So it's a success. The process is very easy. Thank you.